setup is stupid. Look at all these pipes, bro. These are art. This is art, bro. Right? I left my phone in my car. Fucking vipers and shit, bro. JoJo Car is back with another video, man. Y'all see the G. Hold on. And y'all see this G. This G nice as hell. I don't know if you want to get tagged. Y'all see the G. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and follow the gram. And subscribe to the channel. Do all that. You see I'm cleaning the G right now. I'm just doing that. But today, get on my way. Get on my way. Like for real. Subscribe.
Check me out.
But we got this Supra today. And we're gonna do a review on this thing. Fucking mean as hell, G. This shit is mean as fuck. He just started this thing up. And wowzers, G. I've never really seen one in person, so this should be really interesting. Maybe I'm gonna get him to rev it and all that. But hopefully, I'm gonna just open this up a little bit. Check out this interior. Y'all see this? This thing looks like a Beamer. Oh, this thing looks like a Beamer, bro. Hey, it's crazy how much this looks like a Beamer.
It's the same thing. It's pretty much, yeah. It's got the whole M4 interior. Yeah.
That's crazy. And you got one launch edition.
Yes, sir.
Oh, shit. Like Comment or something, Exelon, maybe.
Something like that, yeah, but more of technology companies.
Well, yeah.
Like that use computers, you know, like they're all like on Outlook or like if their Windows, the computer's not turning on, whatever the case may be.
Yeah. So, and are you driving in sport right now?
Yeah, I just flipped it to sport mode, yeah.
Oh.
You can kind of hear the difference. See, that's normal.
Yeah, the purr is different. No?
Yeah, and then on the sport.
And then sport. Everything turns red.
Right.
It's crazy how much this looks like a Beamer.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, shit, this is crazy. Dang. This thing's crazy.
Yeah, it's quick.
Woo. Oh shoot.
Yeah, one's hard with strong apps.
No doubt. I do the same thing all the time.
You gotta live too, right?
Right. I tell people that all the time. Like people get worried like when I say let me review your car and they're like, oh my gosh, my car's dirty. I'm like, we all live life.
Right. And I'm not gonna be ashamed of that. You know, like, hey, look, it's my car. I gotta still live. You know what I'm saying? Like I daily my car. I daily my car because I love it. And honestly, this is not a daily, but it's Sunday, and I was all about my parents, so I had to fix something at their house.
That's how it happens. Well. Dang, this thing is really clean.
Thank you. It's actually filthy right now, but thank you. I gotta wash it and clean it.
I'll fit it. It's clean either way though. Oh
yeah, it's clean from the factory, but I need to clean it.
Can you show me the hood and
Yeah, I got you. That's a full review.
Yes, sir. This thing clean. Remember, it's the launch edition. Look.
Number 362, baby.
Oh, he got a number.
I got a number. You know you're doing things in your life.
Hey, he got a number, bro. He got a launch edition number.
Hey, you guys screaming down the street?
He's going crazy.
Yeah, the red. You know your stuff. I like it. I like it. You know your stuff.
Dang.
Not many people know that. Not off top.
It's because he researched.
Of course, you gotta be a nerd, man. That's right. I like that. With love, not like. Not
Big
talking
nerd.
shit. I love nerds. I'm a nerd.
Dang, this thing's clean. Can I get a rev?
Sure, it is better when it's got weight behind it. But yeah, I got you.
Oh. This is hella clean.
They have a tune that shoots flames.
Yeah?
Yeah, the stage 2 I want to get, it shoots flames.
I want to shoot flames on my G2.
Yeah, it's sick, bro.
Oh my
I
God.
probably won't be shooting flames for at least another couple years. That's not gonna happen soon at all.
Yeah, I feel that. I chill with this too.
Yeah. It's just a matter of hanging out, enjoying it. I mean, it's quick already.
Hey, you might as well.
Yeah, right.
Thank you so much, though. Clean. Hey. When should I post this video? I'm going crazy. Oh my God. Ooh.
It's a little weird. Not gonna lie, it's a little awkward.
Let's get up there.